making water pie. It sounds crazy, and it is crazy, but is it delicious? You'll see. Before we start baking, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Okay, let's get started. So you're gonna start with some pie crust. You can use store-bought if you'd like, or here's how I make mine. Into a food processor, put 2 sticks or 1 cup of butter, 2½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon each of salt and sugar. Pulse that until it's sandy and combined. Then add a 1/4 cup of really cold water and blend it until you can pinch it between your fingers and it kind of sticks together like this. This makes 2 pie crusts, so divide the dough in half, wrap them in some plastic wrap, and keep them in the fridge until you're ready to use them. Before you make the rest of the pie, roll out one of those discs and put it into a regular pie plate and you're ready to go. So, water pie starts with 1 glass of water. Pour 1 cup into an unbaked pie crust. This is going to seem really weird, but it works, I promise. Next, mix 3/4 cup of sugar with 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir that together so it's all combined, and then sprinkle that over the water in the pie crust. You can use your hands, you can just pour it straight from the bowl, however you want, just make sure it's distributed pretty evenly. Next, drizzle 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract over the water. And finally, top that with 4 tablespoons of butter cut into pieces. Pop that into your 400-degree oven and bake for 15 minutes. Then you're gonna reduce the temperature to 375 degrees and bake for 20 to 25 more minutes. The pie is ready when it is bubbling and golden. You wanna see that the filling kind of has a jiggle to it, but it shouldn't be too liquidy. Let that cool in a cooling rack for about 10 minutes and then put it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. You want it to get nice and cold so that you can cut it without the water spilling out. This is the craziest pie recipe. If you have had shoe fly pie or chest pie before, it tastes really similar to that. I think it is absolutely delicious, but don't take my word for it. I got some other opinions as well. Have you ever heard of water pie?
No, I haven't heard of water pie.
No.
Really good. It tastes delicious. It tastes like butter and sugar.
That's all it really is.
Hey, it's a pie.
I'm gonna have another piece.
What does it taste like?
A banana.
Tastes like a banana? That makes sense. Bananas are sweet. I would love to test this out with something mixed into the water like tea or instant coffee. I'd be curious about juice. I wonder if the sugar and acidity would change the filling's texture at all. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to test one of those and I will make a video soon. Thank you all so much for watching this crazy recipe and I will see you soon. Bye!
Bye-bye.